How to log in to Bank of China online banking. So if you want to log in to Bank of China online banking, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now on the search bar you have to search for Bank of China, and after searching here you will have www.boc.cn. So you can go to login side and then you can click on login under the Bank of China, and here you will have the login page. So if you want to change this language, then you can go to the upper right corner and then you can simply choose English, and that's it. That's how you change it. And now to log in, you have to enter your username or your bank card number. Here you have to enter your password on the next blank, and after entering your password and then your bank number, you can click on login. But if you forgot your username or your bank card number or your password, then you can click here, forgot username or password, and then you can recover or reset it. But if you remember your credentials, then simply enter it and then you can click on login. And that's it. That's the way to log into your Bank of China online banking. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.